points. I think Anna van der Bos is better, so we have to wait how the race is.
Yeah, the ladies just started. 31 laps to go now, and the bell will ring on 29, and then every lap points.
So we have 2 laps of warm-up, and as you see, the skaters are going slow, so they want to warm up slowly. You don't see this in the senior men, for example. And then
and we almost have a crash already.
They always go fast.
Yeah.
And now the first skater is just cruising. They're waiting for the first bell.
And because they are going this pace, you see a lot of fighting as well. We see now on the outside the Colombian girls moving up. 30 laps to go.
Why is there a lot of fighting when the pace is slow?
Well, everybody can follow and everybody wants to be in a good position. So even the girls who will have not the speed to be there till the end, they want to try to get points now in the beginning.
So the Colombians are making clear what they want. They want to take the first points, so they're in the lead now, and they go to the first bell.
Yeah, we see there with number 30, RENTERIA.
But it's number 80 from South Korea is in the lead now. She wants to take the first points.
Youngseo She has a gap of 3 meters.
Yeah, and she stops a little bit of skating before the corner, and now she will accelerate into the corner and try to take the first 2 points. And I think she will get the first 2 points.
Yes, she got the first 2 points. Number 80, Youngseo from Korea.
Yeah,
and PINZON from Colombia took the 1 point.
Yeah, so it's right away from the start, it's clear the Colombians will go for PINZON because her teammate gave her that 1 point.
Yeah, and we see now Andrea LOKVENCOVA in front with a girl from Ecuador, Angie Lancheros.
Yeah, the strong skater from Czech Republic takes 1 point. And 2 points for the skater from Ecuador. So from now on, every laps there are 2 and 1 point. So there are a lot of points. And it's still the skater from Ecuador who's in the lead. But the Colombian skater goes around now and she will try.
Oh, we have a crash. Oh, she crashed in first, second position. Wow.
Oh, and the Colombian skater didn't crash. She almost crashed, but she takes the 2 points. And the skater from Ecuador is down and is in the back of the pack now. Actually, she's not in the pack anymore. Oh, and here we see it again. What happens? Ooh, with her right skate, she hits the Colombian girl. Ooh, and Anna van der Bos almost crashed. So we see now again the Colombian skater in the front, going into the corner, and the girl from Ecuador will try to come back, but this will be very hard because the pace in the peloton is so high.
And in the meantime, we saw Carolina Ferreira taking the 2 points. She saw Diogo Marreiros winning the silver yesterday, and she probably wants to do the same.
Yeah, for the first time we see STODDARD from the United States in the lead, but there are the 2 Italians. Oh, and they are going fast. They will take the 2 and 1 point, I think. Let's see who takes the 2 points, and then it's clear the Italians go.
It's Edda PALUZZI who took the 2 points, and Laura PEVERI 1 point.
So in the senior category, and also with the juniors, man, you always see the skaters who get points and get a gap, keep skating and try 2 other points. But the junior ladies stop skating, and there we see the Colombian girls again. Yeah, the 2 Colombian skaters are in the lead, and I will think PINZON will get 2 points again. Yes, he does. Number 33.
So they both got 3 points now.
No, I think PINZON has 4 points. No, there's 3 points. You're right.
The girl from Ecuador who crashed and 2 points. She will be eliminated now. Lancheros from Ecuador is out of the race.
Yeah, and for the first time we see the French girl. She takes the first 2 points.
Marie DUPUY from France. PINZON took another point. She's leading now with 4 points.
So when you see the Dutch girls in 3rd and 8th position, it's Bente KERKHOFF in the 3rd position. Now she's not the best sprinter, so I don't think she will get points here, but maybe she tries to go on a break after this sprint. We have to see.
Who took it? The girl from Hungary or the girl from Portugal? It was HUNYADI from Hungary.
Yeah, it's HUNYADI. I asked the Hungarian team this morning, are you a daughter of the famous skater Emeza HUNYADI? But she's not. So again, there are the two Colombians and they smarter. The second skater stops. So these are easy points for PINZON. She has 7 points now, no 6 points now.
The other girl got 4 points now. And we saw Bente KERKHOFF leading the pack, but she didn't want to close it.
No, Bente KERKHOFF is still in the pack. She looks good, but she just waits till the other skaters get tired. And then she probably wants to try to get in a breakaway. That's my prediction. And we hope it, of course.
And DUPUY is taking 2 points. She got 4 points now. 5 for Rodriguez from Colombia. And we see another time the two Italian girls in front now with PALUZZI and PEVERI.
Yeah, when the Italian take points and the Colombian take points, they always do this together, huh?
Yeah.
Almost all the time they take 2 and 1 points. And STODDARD is always near the front, but does not have a point yet, I think.
Yes, STODDARD took 1 point so far.
And now
she
2
took
points.
2 points. Edda PALUZZI 1 point.
So when they stop skating again, so we will see other names, I think. And there is FANG. I mentioned her just before the race. She is strong and she will try to go in a breakaway, just as she did this morning in the heats.
And they already have a gap.
All the points.
They already have a gap of 20 meters now. And we see the Colombians in the re-attack. Do they keep skating?
No, they
yes,
stop.
the Mexican girl wants to go. It's IDIAQUEZ RAMIREZ.
So FANG took the 2 points, RAMIREZ 1 point. So RAMIREZ wants to go for 2 more points. But there are the Colombians. Can they catch them just before the points? Or will the first 2 skaters get the points? I think one Colombian skater is there.
Oh, and the Chinese? No, it's 2 points for Rodriguez from Colombia. She got 7 points now. And Ramirez took 1 point. And the South Korean girls on the outside and France on the inside. The Colombians back in the peloton at place 9.
So from France, Marie DUPUY and Honorine FRA are in the lead now. And BARRAULT will get the 2 points in front of DUPUY.
DUPUY got 5 points now. BARRAULT took her first points.
Oh, it's the other way around. So, and Bente KERKHOFF and Anna van der Bos are still waiting.
They're waiting a long time, and we see the girl from Venezuela moving on the outside now with a lot of speed.
Yeah, but still 14 laps to go, so if you're getting in a breakaway, you can get a lot of points still.
Will they keep skating?
They have a big gap and they stop skating again.
It's another time Youngseo now, who took the first 2 points. She got 4 points now, and Jimenez from Venezuela took the 1 point.
So that's a skater from Japan.
Yeah, Japan in first position now, followed by PEVERI from Italy. PEVERI is taking the 2 points. She got 3 points now.
So it's still close to each other.
It's Takahagi from Japan with 1 point.
The Colombians are in the lead with 7 and 6 points, followed by DUPUY and Na from South Korea.
The leader in this race got 7 points now. When we will see, there is Anna van der Bos. I was just waiting for the Dutch girls, but they are here now in front. And DUPUY is taking the first 2 points. Anna van der Bos 1 point. And DUPUY got 7 points now. We
So
see.
It's also Bente KERKHOFF in the front of the race. She is still waiting. Maybe it's a tactic to go for Anna, but 1 point is not enough. So we see for the first time the German girl up front.
Angelina Otto from Germany in front now, but she's passed by Stoddard and PALUZZI. PALUZZI 4 points, Stoddard 5 now. Leading in this race, Rodriguez from Colombia and DUPUY from France. They both got 7 points so far.
There is Bente KERKHOFF for the first time. She is leading in this race. And can the Dutch girl get 2 points? Or will the German skater pass her on the finishing straight?
She's leaving a gap on the inside. No. Also couldn't pass. Stoddard took 2 other points and she is also in the lead now with 7 points. Both of the Dutch girls got 1 point. And we see Carolina Ferreira from Portugal again. She took 3 points so far. She's followed by PEVERI from Italy. And PEVERI took also 3 points so far.
Yeah,
we
so
see a little gap between Bente and Anna. I think PEVERI took 2 points in front of Ferreira.
Yeah, the girl from Portugal looks strong. She didn't skate that good on the track, but on the road she seems to be better. And there are the 2 Colombian skaters. They're going really fast. They will try to get a few more points. They're still in the lead. So who will take the 2 points? They both have 7 points till this part of the race. Yeah, and the other
No. PINZON got 6. She got 8 now. And also Rodriguez took 1 point. They both got 8 points now.
Yeah, you're right. DUPUY and Stoddard have 7 points. So it's really close with 7 laps to go. 7 laps to go till the finish. And the Colombian skaters are leading.
And DUPUY is also in this group, behind the girl from South Korea. But where are the Dutch girls?
And where is Stoddard?
I think the Korean girl might took the points. Number 81, she didn't have points so far. It's Sola KOR from Korea with 2 points. And Rodriguez took 1 point from Colombia.
Yeah, it's FANG from China who closes the gap. But the next points will go to the skaters from Colombia. And I think DUPUY is there. DUPUY will try to get 1 point or maybe 2 points. Oh, this is gonna be, no, the Colombian skaters first and second.
Yeah, it's 2 points for PINZON. She's on 10 now, and also Rodriguez 10 points now. Then we see on the inside LOKVENCOVA from Czech Republic again.
With the Colombian skaters, they're looking really strong. They will try to get at least 1 more point or maybe the 2 points on the finish. Yeah, it's Colombia. Rodriguez takes 2 points. So I'm still waiting for a big attack for the Dutch girls. Can Bente KERKHOFF take more points? Does he have some energy left? Or will it be the Colombians who can do this till the finish?
Yeah, we see a lot of girls with their hands on the knees now. Leading this race is Rodriguez from Colombia with 12 points. She take another 1 point now, so PINZON with 12 points in second position. Rodriguez with 13 points in first position.
Yeah, there goes FANG from China. She was great in the heat. She took a lot of points, but till so far she only has, I think, 1 point, so she will try to get a few more.
Followed by Stoddard, who took 7 points so far.
Yeah, and 2 more points for Stoddard brings her in third position behind the Colombian skaters. And there's Anna van der Bos. The Dutch girl has only 1 point, so we'll try to get a few more points. Only 2 laps to go.
Yeah, followed by Edda PALUZZI and Laura PEVERI from Italy. PEVERI took 5 points so far, PALUZZI 4. Anna van der Bos only took 1. PALUZZI now with 6 points. Anna van der Bos 2 points so far in this race. And only 2 laps to go.
And there goes Bente KERKHOFF. There goes Bente KERKHOFF. When she comes through the finish, there's only 1 lap to go. She has a small gap, but the French girls see it and try to chase her down. Ooh, and the French girls stop skating. DUPUY will try to close the gap, but it looks like Bente KERKHOFF has a nice gap.
Unfortunately, she can't make it to the podium anymore because she can get maximum of 6 points, but DUPUY can. She got 8 points now, and if she wins this sprint, she will become 3rd.
So the Colombians will win this race, but can DUPUY get 3rd? STODDARD is in 3rd position now. So DUPUY will win 3 points, I guess. Or will the Italian skater is 2nd position.
Yeah,
so
DUPUY took a medal.
Yeah, bronze for Marie DUPUY. And the world title will go
to Rodriguez, who took 1 point in the last sprint. She is the winner of the golden medal with